Hello folks, welcome back to Simple DevOps project training. In this section, I'm going to discuss more details about topics. What do we cover? In the introduction section, we cover introduction to CICD and tools used to set up DevOps flow. Next, set up CICD pipeline with Jenkins, Git, Maven and Tomcat. In this, first we set up Jenkins, then run a test job to make sure that our Jenkins is fine. We set up and configure Maven and Git and set up Tomcat server, install additional required plugins if necessary, integrating Git Maven in Jenkins job, run a CI/CD job. By end of this section, we could able to deploy our artifact on a EC2 instance which runs with Tomcat. Next section is about Docker. First we set up a Docker environment, manage Docker with Ansible, Docker Hub repository, write a Docker file and run a job. By this time, we could able to deploy on a Docker container. Next, we talk about Ansible. First, we set up Ansible environment, integrating Ansible with Jenkins, write a Ansible playbook to deploy on a container, run a job. By this time, we could able to deploy on a Docker container by using Ansible. And the last section is about Kubernetes. First, we set up Kubernetes environment, write deployment and service files, run a job to deploy on a Kubernetes cluster. By this time, we could able to set up a complete CI/CD pipeline, deploy on a pod which runs on Kubernetes cluster. Hope this has given you a detailed information about what do we cover in this program. In next video, we'll talk about what is CI/CD. Until then, bye, see you there.